Welcome. In this video I will show you how to reduce overheating while you're playing games on your REALME GT8 Pro smartphone. First of all, if you are charging your smartphone in the process of gaming, then the first thing that you're gonna have to do is open the Game Sidebar and then go to Tools tab, and in Tools find and enable bypass charging feature. Just switch this toggle to the right and adjust the threshold for bypass charging. This will help you reduce the battery heating immediately. After that, if your device is already overheated, I recommend switching to the power saving mode, at least temporarily, as it will significantly reduce your device's temperature. Besides, I also recommend removing the device's protective case in order to reduce heat dissipation, and optionally you can also move to a better ventilated area. And when the power saving is enabled, your graphics quality will, as well as resolution and frame rate, will drop to original ones. But this way your device will cool down and you'll be able to track the current temperature level in the Tools menu. Also, go to the Recent Apps menu and close all the other applications that are opened on your device, and perform a quick cleanup by tapping right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.